In this video, I'll show you how to unblock pop-ups on Mac. Since most Mac users stick to either Safari or Google Chrome, I'm going to walk you through the process for both of these browsers. Let's start with Safari. To unblock pop-ups, open Safari, click on the Safari menu up on the menu bar, and select Settings. Next, click over to the Websites tab. On the left menu, scroll down to the bottom and select Pop-up Windows. Here, you'll see your current settings for specific websites. If you want to unblock pop-ups for all websites, look for the When Visiting Other Websites option at the bottom. It's set to Block and Notify by default. Just change it to Allow. Once you do that, every single website will be able to show pop-ups. Alternatively, you can manage these settings for individual websites. In Safari, there isn't a button to manually add a website to this list. Instead, when you visit a site and it tries to open a pop-up, Safari will show a notification. Only then will that website appear right here in the list. Because of this, the most optimized setup is to leave the default at Block and Notify, and then manually allow or block specific sites as you browse. For example, I might allow pop-ups from youtube.com, but block them from google.com. This keeps you in control, letting you trust the safe sites while keeping the spammy ones blocked. Now, let's switch over to Google Chrome. For Chrome, open your settings by clicking the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Then choose Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Site Settings. Scroll down just a bit more and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Under the Default Behavior section, you'll find the global setting for all websites. By default, it's set to Don't Allow. If you want to allow pop-ups everywhere, just select the top option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Unlike Safari, Chrome lets you customize this manually. If you want to block pop-ups from specific sites, click the Add button next to the Not Allowed section. If you want to allow pop-ups from certain sites, click the Add button next to Allowed, type in the website address, and hit Add. Usually, the smartest setting is to block pop-ups globally, but manually add the specific websites you trust to the allowed list right here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.